All right, hon. All right.
Yeah, because he was saying Steve's gonna buy it. I'm like, he's got cars he doesn't have to drive now. Why would he have a?
He's got a TR3 so something he shot.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta, you're retired.
Yeah.
Get this car going. But I don't can't do that because it's not.
Yeah.
I'm not special.
Gotta be here to win. Next trip. Amanda's coming. We got short
Yeah, that's for the baby blue.
The end one, the end. Yeah.
I've been up since 6. Well, that's around 10:30. That's when my automatic time is. You know, when I worked at Avon, I worked at 5 a.m. because of break until the clocks were changed. Okay? You know what time that was? Like 9 o'clock. So you worked there all the day. So I'm not used to it. Oh, that's nice.
When I joined, I didn't know.